Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate email marketing with Mailchimp, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate email marketing with Mailchimp, start by creating an account on the Mailchimp website. Once logged in, navigate to the Audience tab on the dashboard. If you don't have an audience yet, click Create Audience and fill out the necessary details. Ensure that you import your contacts into this audience by selecting Manage Audience and then Import Contacts. After your contacts are uploaded, go back to the dashboard and next, select Automated to set up your email automation. Choose the type of automation that best fits your marketing goals, such as a welcome series or a product follow-up. Name your automation campaign appropriately for easy identification later. Then, click Begin to start customizing your automation. Select the trigger for your automation sequence, which determines when your emails will be sent to recipients. Configure the trigger settings to align with your audience's actions, such as signing up or making a purchase. After setting the trigger, click Add Email to draft the first email in your automation. Design your email using Mailchimp's intuitive template editor. Add engaging content, including images and links, to capture your audience's interest. Take time to personalize your email subject line and body to make it more relevant to your audience. Once satisfied with your email design, click Next to set the timing for when the email will be sent. You can select options such as immediately, after a certain number of days, or at a specific time. Review your automation settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once confirmed, click Start Sending to activate your automation campaign. Monitor the performance of your automation under the Campaigns tab to track opens, clicks, and other metrics. Make adjustments to your emails and triggers based on the data you collect to improve engagement. With these steps, you can effectively automate your email marketing efforts using Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.